guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making taco baked potatoes. They are so easy and so delicious, and they come together so quick. You're going to love them. I think this is a good switch up for taco night. So if you're in a taco rut, these are probably for you. So we're just going to go over all of the ingredients and get started. Okay guys, so for the taco baked potatoes, this is everything you're going to need. Like I said, they're very easy to make. So we're going to start off with our onions and bell pepper. You can use whatever style of vegetable that you like. This is what I have on hand today, so that's what we're going to use. Some beef broth. I've got some spices here. I've got chili powder, cumin, onion powder, paprika, oregano, garlic powder, and a little bit of red pepper flakes, salt and pepper, ground beef, and some potatoes. Now, when it comes to your choice of toppings, do whatever makes you happy. You can do sour cream, cheese, olives, whatever. They're going to be absolutely delicious. So let's get these going. Okay guys, so I've got my Instant Pot here, and I've already got about a cup of water in the Instant Pot, along with my little trivet that comes with it. And I've gone ahead and washed my potatoes, dried them really well, and just pierced them with a fork just to help get the center cooked. So I'm just going to put these in here on the trivet, like that. Pop the lid on, set it to seal, and we're going to do manual for about 20 minutes. About 15 to 20 minutes, and just let it do its thing. And we're going to head on over to the stove and get the taco meat going. Okay guys, so I've got my large pan here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add in my ground beef, and it is over medium heat, about medium low heat. And I'm just going to break this up. This little tool right here, guys, didn't know what I was missing till I got it. This thing works so good at breaking up all of your ground meat. So we're going to get this all broke up like that. And we're going to add in our onions and our bell pepper right in there. We're going to cook this together with a little bit of salt and pepper until the onions are tender and the bell peppers are tender and the meat is completely cooked through. Add some salt and pepper. Give this a little mix and cook this. And then I will meet you back here when we add in the spices. Okay guys, my beef and onions and bell pepper are cooked through and tender. So we're just going to add in all of our spices. Now to this I did add 1 teaspoon of this Knorr tomato bouillon, just to give it a little bit more of a tomato flavor for that authentic taco taste. Oh, that smells so good. I love the smell of taco seasoning. We're going to get this all mixed together and let those spices bloom for just a few seconds. Add a bit more salt and a little bit of pepper. Mix that through. And now we're going to add in our beef broth. Get this all mixed through, and you're just going to let this cook until the liquid is reduced and it's pretty much thickened, and you're done. with the taco meat. Oh, I wish you guys could I wish there was smell-o-vision. This smells amazing. All of my liquid has reduced and thickened up. So this is pretty much done. So I'm just going to cut the heat and set this to the side. And my potatoes have just a few more minutes. And then we will put this together. In the meantime, I'm going to gather up all of my toppings and get those ready. Okay, so I've gone ahead and just got all of my toppings out. I've got some tomatoes, some shredded cheese, some green onions, sour cream, some salsa, some Kalamata olives, and some hot sauce. Now you can put whatever topping you like on this. These are just a few of my favorites and my daughter's favorites. So this is what we're gonna have. But yeah, put whatever you want on it. I'll show you what it looks like when we get it together. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And check out the full written recipe on my website. The link is in the description box as well as in the comment section. So we're going to go dig in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.